Whenever I'm at the Dollar Tree, I always make sure to check out the Barbie clothes because you never know what you're going to find. Like an astronaut, are you kidding me? Or this amazing 80s dress. Now I just need to find which Barbies are going to wear these new awesome clothes. And I think I'm going to pick these two from the late 80s, early 90s because they have small feet. And with these clothes, you definitely have to have the traditional tiny Barbie feet, but you cannot beat this. Look, $1.50 for this amazing 80s outfit, and she looks absolutely stunning, doesn't she? The perfect 80s lady. And now, of course, the astronaut, which I am most excited about because, come on, Barbie astronaut, how cool is that? And now it's time to go put them back in their places. The 80s ladies are loving her new outfit, and astronaut scene. All I did was put some space-themed wrapping paper in a frame, and perfect!
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.